What are the 7 most important things you should do before selling your home? Hello everybody, my name is Steven Young. This channel is where I like to teach people how to buy and sell houses here in Southeast Idaho. If you ever have any questions about the real estate process, please reach down. My contact information is below. Enjoy your video. Number 1 is decluttering all your stuff. I've been through so many showings, and if the place doesn't look nice, then that's all the buyer's going to think about. I've personally gone to houses where there's been a bunch of dog poop in the front yard or in the backyard or somewhere, and all the buyer could think of is the messy house or the poop in the backyard. They're not thinking about the house. Number 2 is making necessary repairs. You want to focus on things that are going to be hazardous to people, not necessarily stuff that makes the house look better. You do want to consult an agent before you spend too much money on repairs, but it's mostly safety stuff that I would worry about when you're trying to list your home. Number 3 is cleaning the house, making sure it smells nice. A lot of people have dogs or they smoke on the house. Smells that buyers are not used to can have an effect on whether they put an offer on that house or not. If you're enjoying this content, I invite you to push the subscribe button below. Please push the like button and the notification bell. I also want to let you know, if you are interested in selling your house, there is a calculator on an estimation of your house. Now, these aren't extremely accurate, but they'll give you a general idea. If you want more accuracy, please give me a call or send me a message, and I would happily do a free evaluation of your house for you. Number 4 is curb appeal, making the yard look nice, making sure the grass is mowed. If there's no, making sure the driveway is shoveled up. You want to make sure that if it's the fall, the leaves are raked up. Just basically, you want your yard to look nice. When you know somebody's coming over to see your house, you want to make sure all the lights are on, except the rooms that have really good natural lighting. You want the place to feel warm and inviting. Number 6 is staging the home. You want to show off the home's best features, such as putting furniture in ways that make the house flow better. Number 7 is getting professional photos. You want to show off the features of your house. Drone photos help new buyers familiarize themselves with their property and the surrounding neighbors. Thank you for watching my video. Again, if you want to know the value of the home, there's a tool down there. There is also a mortgage calculator if you're scrolling through and you're looking to buy a house as well. If you have any questions, please again just give me a call or email me below. Have a great day.